Our team coverage of the effect of the president's executive order is having continues with 22 News reporter Tashani Whitlow. Tashani went back to Bradley International Airport tonight and spoke with a lawyer from the ACLU who is advising people to seek legal advice.
A federal judge in Boston has temporarily suspended President Trump's executive order banning immigrants from several predominantly Muslim countries.
Iraq, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen. No one from any of those countries can come here.
That's the impact of President Trump's executive order, according to the director of the Western Massachusetts American Civil Liberties Union, Bill Newman.
The United States government is not only violating its word, but it's putting people who are the strongest allies of us in enormous danger, in danger of their lives. That has to be stopped.
A New York federal judge ruled that authorities could not remove individuals who had already arrived in the U.S. prior to President Trump's travel ban. Newman told 22 News since then, judges in Boston, Virginia, and Washington state have filed temporary restraining orders against the president's executive order. The ACLU is encouraging people to contact them for legal help before they sign any paperwork. Immigrants being detained at airports across the country is causing outrage and widespread protests.
No hate, no fear. Refugees are welcome here.
Including at Bradley International, where people held signs expressing their outrage.
I am the child of Holocaust survivors. I stand with my Muslim brothers and sisters across the world. This is the place that has always been a safe port for refugees and must continue to be.
I feel the ban on Muslims entering the U.S. is unconstitutional.
President Trump said this is not a Muslim ban, but rather a stronger vetting process to protect the United States from terrorism. Live in the studio, Tashani Whitlow, 22 News.